Excellency Abdel Fattah el-Sisi, President of the Arab Republic of Egypt, heads of state and governments, esteemed delegates, excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum, and a very good afternoon. On behalf of the people of Pakistan, I would like to express my deep gratitude to you, Mr. President, for holding this special session to debate ongoing atrocities, killings of innocent people in Gaza and Lebanon at the margins of D8 summit. And it is more so important, Mr. President, that while we speak, we are passing through very difficult and turbulent times. As the trail of Israel's unrelenting atrocities after wreaking havoc in Gaza has now spread into the West Bank, Lebanon, and Syria, igniting a fire that threatens to engulf the entire region with its sparks reaching Iran, Iraq, Yemen, and beyond. What has been transpiring in Gaza since October 2023 is one of the darkest chapters of modern history. It is a colossal human tragedy unfolding on an unimaginable scale. Israel's deliberate and inhumane targeting of the people of Gaza and Lebanon with intensifying savagery has resulted in a relentless massacre that blatantly violates international law, UN resolutions, and ICJ directives. Excellencies, history will bear witness to these pages tainted in the blood of innocents. Neither will it forgive those who are perpetrating such heinous crimes, nor will it spare those who have chosen to remain silent in the face of these terrible, unprecedented atrocities. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan has consistently condemned in the strongest possible terms Israel's naked aggression against Gaza, the West Bank, Lebanon, as well as Syria. Equally condemnable is the demonization of UNRWA by Israel. This must be stopped, as UNRWA operations offer the sole lifeline to millions of helpless victims of Israel atrocities in Gaza and the West Bank. Pakistan has consistently advocated for a just, comprehensive, and lasting two-state solution as the key to enduring peace in the Middle East, anchored in international law and in line with the relevant United Nations Security Council and OIC resolutions. A viable, sovereign, and contiguous state of Palestine should be established based on pre-1967 borders with Al-Quds Sharif as its capital. Pakistan supports all international mediation efforts for the achievement of immediate ceasefire, and in that we deeply appreciate the efforts of the state of Qatar and Egypt. Excellencies, while we seek urgent end to hostilities, we must consider provision of adequate funding for the rehabilitation and reconstruction of Gaza, the West Bank, Lebanon, and other war-torn regions destroyed by Israeli bombardment. Pakistan is among those countries that have dispatched relief goods for Palestine through Egypt.